Hello, welcome back to Smart Money TV. My name is Miracle. I create content on cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and various ways on how to earn money online. So this is what I've been doing, and I'm very passionate about it. So if you love this content, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now in today's video, I want to show you how you can earn 10 Tron daily. This is the Telegram bot I am talking about. The link is available in the description button. You can kindly click on the link to join. So when you click on the link, it will bring out this page like this, and you will click on start. When it tells you that what these bots do, these bots give us 150% profit daily. That is, if you invest like 5 Tron, you will receive 150. You will receive 150% daily. So this is tested and trusted bots that I have done, and I will also show you my proof of payment at the end of this video. Now when I started, I invested with 20 Tron, and after 24 hours I was given 30 Tron, and I will show you step by step on how everything goes. So when you log in, when you click on the link, make sure you join these two groups, and you will click on join. When you are done join, then it will bring out this, and make sure you just to verify, they are trying to verify that this account is being operated by a human being and not a robot. So when you click on the right number, it will bring out the, so on this bot, the minimum deposits you can do is 5 Tron, and 5 Tron is not even up to 500 naira in Nigeria currency. So I deposited 20 Tron, which is about $1 and maybe 40 cents. $1.40 that I deposited. So if you want to do your own, I will advise you to deposit the amount you can afford to lose. At the same time, I will advise you to deposit at least 22 Tron. So when you click on that, you will click on invest. Then it will bring out the deposit address you will need to deposit your Tron into. So this is the Tron address, their Tron address, and I deposited 20 Tron. So it is written here that if you send less than 5 Tron, your deposit will be cancelled. So make sure you deposit at least minimum of 5 Tron into this wallet. And the amazing thing is here is that the total user of this bot presently, they are 2,844, and total investment so far is 17,578 Tron. Total investment, people that have an investment so far, is 29,728 Tron has been invested so far, and total withdrawal so far is 47,894. So on this website, I cannot guarantee you that it will go forever, and it can close down at any time. So if you want to invest, make sure you invest the little you can afford to lose. But presently now, they are still paying. So once you are done with your deposit, you can deposit with USDT, you can deposit it with Tron, you can deposit it with BTC, Doge, BNB, FTC, but I deposited with Tron, and I deposited 20 Tron as at yesterday. So when you are done, you can also click on admin, then you can contact admin and inform admin that you have deposited your money. Although when your money reflected, it will be deposited automatically, and you have automatically started the investment. So I want to show you my withdrawal, my deposit confirmation. Okay, this is my deposit confirmation. Your deposit received successfully. Your name Miracle. amount 20 Tron as at yesterday by 7:28 a.m. and this is the transaction hash. So when I click on balance, it show me all this that I should be expecting 30 Tron at the end of 24 hours. So once you are done with that, you just have to leave it for 24 hours. Then you need to set up your wallet. So when you click on this menu bar, you'll be able to set up your wallet. Let me click on it here. So you can click on set up your wallet and put in your Tron wallet. So make sure you put your Trust wallet. You can log into your Trust wallet and copy your Tron wallet and paste. So then you can also refer your friends and earn. So when you withdraw your money, you can also reinvest or you try to deposit. So when I deposited 20 Tron, the following day, which is today, I received 30 Tron, and out of 30 Tron I withdraw 10 Tron, and I will show you the payment proof on this both platform and on my Trust wallet. So let me look for the transaction here. Now this morning by 9:00 a.m. I log into this platform to check my investments. So when I click on withdrawal, as at 9:00 a.m. I click on withdrawal, and they ask me how much Tron did I want to withdraw, and I typed 20. Where is it? And I typed 10 rather. I typed 10. Out of 30 Tron, I tried to withdraw 10 and reinvest 20 Tron. So immediately they send me confirmation that did I want to withdraw this money, and I click on confirm. So out of the 10 Tron, 2 Tron was debited for gas fee. So they debited 2 Tron and I was credited 8 Tron. So this is by 9:02 I confirm the withdrawal process, and I reinvested with 20 Tron. As you can see it right here, I invested with 20 Tron. And they send me a message that you successfully reinvested 20 Tron, and you will get 30 Tron after 1 day. So by 9:02 tomorrow morning, I should be expecting my 30 Tron. And this is the payment transaction here. This is my address, this is the amount they sent, and this is the transaction hash. Now out of the 10 Tron, they deposited 2 Tron as gas fee, and I received 8 Tron. Now I want to go and show you on my Trust wallet. As I have said, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so that when I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now this is the transaction I received. You can see 8 Tron by 9:03. So within 1 minute, this money was deposited into my Trust wallet. And now as you can see it right here, this is the 8 Tron. This is the transaction today. This is the transaction details. So this is how you can earn money on this Telegram bot. As I have said earlier, if you want to invest on this Telegram bot, make sure you invest the amount you know you can afford to lose, because it may not go forever and they can shut it down at any time. But if you can still invest up to $20, 20 Tron, or maybe 30 Tron or 40 Tron, that is still a very low amount that even though you lose it, it will not have any effect on you. So this is how you can earn 10 Tron daily on this bot. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any comment, you can drop it in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to my channel in order to be notified when I upload a new video like this. On this note, I will be saying Goodbye to you guys and see you in my next video.